think you're getting bites, Charlie. Just wait, don't pull it yet, don't pull it, wait till it's on the line. Watch the tip of your rod. See, if you watch up here, Charlie, this thing, if it goes like this, dink, 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 it means you've got a fish biting it. So keep it nice and tight, and we'll see if it pulls your rod down. No bites, Charlie. Hold it there. You getting bites or not? You getting bites, young Charles?
Did you get a fish? Woohoo!
Look at that!
What's that, Charlie? Fish! You got a fish? Yeah! All by yourself? You hold it. Are you going to hold the fish? Isabel! Look! Out of the water. That's it.
Can you hold it?
Charlie, put the fish back in the water.
Yeah, I'm holding it.
Right down the side. See that spiky there? Nice and softly there. See that?
Put it in the water.
It's spiky on top.
Hold it underneath.
Underneath.
Hold it where Papa's holding it. In the water.
Put him in the water.
Oh no! Say no fishy.
Charlie did. Isabel, just wait. If it hasn't bitten again, just give it another little second. Alright, maybe they've taken the bait. Just pull it in nice and slow. Just leave it. If it bites, just stop.
Charlie, step back a bit.
Alright, pull it in nice and slow. Caught about 6 bream in about 6 minutes.
Yay! Woohoo!
Nice one, Isabel. Nice. Careful, it's a bit spiky.
It's a little baby one.
Now Isabel's going to let him go. So look, watch how it. Careful, he's got some little spikes.
Oh no!
Oh, well,
Say
that's
bye,
okay.
fish.
Is it dead?
Look, little bream. Whoa!
Oh, Papa!
Look at that. Hold this. Hold that. He's too small. We got to let him go.
No!
Yeah, he's too small to keep. Just gotta let him just gotta try to. Just gotta. He just needs to.
You just need to grab it. There we go.
Is it dead?
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Be very careful with the hook. Who wants to give him a pat?
Who wants to give the fish a kiss?
Ew. Is it dead?
No.